Well, good morning, everybody, and welcome back. You may remember a couple weeks back we did a review on a Bandletic Apple Watch band replacement type of a thing. Well, this is the one I've been using from Bandletic. Worked great, phenomenal. Well, they asked whether I'd like to check out yet another one, and this is what the package looks like. Apple Watch band, and they come in different sizes, you know, for the type of size of iWatch you have and everything. Alright, this is the original one, and it just basically pops through just like this, and you can put it back in and everything like that. But this one's a little bit different style. You know how the, what do you call it, the Apple Watches have these little slots here, so you just slide it in through like this and everything. But this is a real stylish type of a thing, and I gotta say, these things are really stoutly built. And so you just slide it up into the little slots there. Nice day out here. It's gonna start to get really hot, so and you just slide in just like this, you know, and really easy. But this will protect, well, it won't allow your watch to be ripped off your wrist and everything like that. Real stylish. And like I said, this is designed for this particular iWatch here. The face, it's a 49mm 46mm series 123, and for those that have Apple iWatches in the more advanced times, they actually sell them for these, and there's different colors of these types of bands and stuff. So I highly recommend it. Bandletic, they put out some really excellent bands here, and it's really easy to put in, whether you like this type with the face already installed, or you know, or this where you slide in and through the little slots. Bandletic, I appreciate it. It will certainly get a use, no doubt about it. And all the particular information will be put in the description, and also a link to the previous video. That way you can make a pretty good comparison between this and this. But real nice style. Love it, like it. And that's the other side here.